Hello guys, welcome to Explain Me How. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you delete all your card information from your Netflix account. Open up to your Netflix account, sign into your profile. Now in the upper right corner, you can see profiles and more. Click on accounts. Now you can see the information in the options in the account section. You can only see the billing details of your account. You can only cancel the membership of your account, but you cannot delete the account information from your Netflix application. Open your browser and sign into your Netflix account. As you can see, I have already signed into my Netflix profile. Open the menu and go into the accounts. Now you can see these options in the accounts. Scroll down. Now you can see the option of manage payment info. Click it. Once you click the manage payment information, you can see this interface. Now you can add your payment method. Now you can add your new payment method, and then you can remove your old card information easily. If you want to cancel the membership or you don't want to pay anymore for the Netflix account, simply click on cancel membership and it will show you an interface like this. Now you can click finish cancellation. Netflix will cancel your membership and it won't charge any cost from your card again. I hope you like it. Like, share and comment below.